All right, welcome back, fellow entrepreneur. We're going to talk about our blogs and comments and engagement with our blogs and our collections with our online store on Shopify. So let me show you how this is done. If we go to our admin, we're in our test store here today, and we go to our online store, we can then navigate down to our blog posts and we can see all our blogs that we've created. I have one blog created on this test store and it is in the collection news right now. So what we can do to enable people to comment and engage with our blogs instead of just reading it is we can click over here. There is a manage blogs section right here at the top of the blog posts tab, which is found under online store. So if we click manage blogs, we will see not our blog posts, but our collections that the blog is published to. So if you make a blog post, you assign that to a blog, which is a collection of all your blog posts that get assigned to one single blog that you can assign these rules to. So in this case, we have one blog post and we have one blog called news. So if we click news, we can then see this tab right here, comments for this blog. There are three options. Comments are disabled, which is currently selected. Comments are allowed pending moderation. That means you'll be able to see the comments that people write on your blog, and then you can approve or disapprove them to be published on your store. Or comments are all allowed and are automatically published. This is really helpful if you have a very big store and you need to automate a lot of your tasks and you aren't that worried about negative comments or spam or anything like that. You can click this last option. But for now, we're going to allow our comments pending moderation because we don't want people to spam our comment section with bad comments or say anything bad about our brand. So we can now click save, and this will edit the rules for the blog news. So if we go back to edit blog, we can now see comments are moderated. Before this said comments were not allowed. What we have done now is we have added the blog to our store and we have added a section in the blog. So if we click blog from our navigation, this is the blog post in our news blog. We can click this blog post that we created, and then right here at the bottom, we can allow people to leave a comment on the blog. Now, if somebody leaves a comment on the blog by filling out their name, their email, and then their comment, you will see this comment here. Your comment has posted successfully. We will publish it in a little while as our blog is moderated. You can change what this says here by going to the theme default settings, but for now, we want to see the full process of where this comment actually goes. So if we go back to our admin now, so now that there is a comment, if we go back to our blog post, we see a new heading here that says there is one comment that requires moderation. So we can access this in two ways. We can click the comment here. We can go to manage comments. If you have a lot of them, click this one comment here and we can see the details of the comment. So this T is where the name would be. This is the email that they would leave. And then this is the comment that they left. As we can see, this comment here, right at the end, says not approved. And this is what we're looking to change now based on our moderation. So what we can do is we can click this post, we can click actions, and we can mark it as spam, unmark as spam, or we can approve or delete the post. In this case, we want to approve the post. And now once we approve it, the comment will be gone because we're searching for undefined comments, which is the default status. If we go back to our all comments, we can now see that the status of the blog comment has now changed to approve, and you can then see all of your comments from this section here, manage comments. Now, of course, we want to go see our online store and see how this looks. As of course, blogs are super important strategy for email marketing and SEO. And of course, engagement with those comments is equally important and even fun. So now we go back to our blog post. We can now see there's one comment here and you can edit the way that looks as well if you'd like. Now we scroll down to the bottom of the page. We can now see our engagement from our blog followers right here. This is the best post ever from T, the date, the time, and all that. Of course, the email won't show here. This is a tremendous way to boost engagement. Have some fun with your online store. Have some fun with your followers, your email subscribers, and just another way to increase your social proof and conversations with your most loyal customers. That's it. That's your full guide on managing, publishing, posting, approving, disapproving blog posts. I hope you've learned something. I hope this answers a lot of your questions. If it does, and you want to join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs that are all just trying to grow their small business dreams together and reach our dreams together, consider subscribing. On this channel, I just like to grow a community of like-minded entrepreneurs that are just trying to grow their businesses together, but might need some help and are working on these things a lot of the time by themselves. You can take the loneliness out of e-commerce by subscribing to the channel and learning from our fellow entrepreneurs. If that's something that interests you, consider subscribing. And if you do, I will see you in the next video.